Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing video of Beyblade X Hasbro ArmorKnight GV 870 UN. Yeah, I kind of like the boxes now. Yeah, Hasbro. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay. Okay. Let's get this opened. I'll show you. There we go. Sorry about that. Yes, I'm doing some stuff with Metal Fight. That's why you see the parts out there. Oh shit. Shit. Messed up the box, but yeah. God damn it. Why is this so annoying? There we go. Finally. Yep. That took a while to do. And more tape. Yay. Yep, more tape. I despise tape right now. Oh. Yay. There we go. Finally. Yep. Shit. Let's get the tip. This out. And finally the actual blade itself. There we go. A gorgeous, gorgeous blade. There's the QR code. I'm gonna take the parts off. There we go, ratchet and tip. But yeah, that's gorgeous. I love the screen in this. I like how this is printed on, not stickers. I'm happy about that. This is definitely interesting to have. The ratchet, that's actually really cool. And the typical tip under needle, so yeah. Okay. Okay. Why? Okay, this is definitely going to be new to get used to. Yeah. There we go. Let's get that. there we go. That was a bang. Yeah. This thick boy. Okay. That right there is tight. But yeah, there we go with this big boy. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.